what's the plan?
Yeah, well, we plan to win all the games remaining. It's about time. That's what the competition calls for now. You have to win, to stay, to have a chance of garnering any trophy now, So it's that what is set on our minds. We are trying to go there and try win the remainder of the games that we are participating in.
All right, thank you, sir. We'll see.
Coach, just one more question, Coach. In regards to performance, guys, how pleased are you with this performance, guys? I realize that this is not one of the best performances, but what do you take away from this one?
What I saw, we had possession, but we weren't. The intensity wasn't there. We should have moved the ball a little quicker. We were relaxed. I think we were a little bit complacent on the pitch. But nevertheless, we had the possession. We should have created more chance. We didn't do that. We tried to score, but the defense of the Central Hyde team was sturdy today. They played well. They played a disciplined game. But we have to find ways to win game when things not going our way. And I think we did that today.
All right, Coach. All right, good game.